In the highly competitive retail landscape, strategic promotions and discounts play a crucial role in attracting customers, increasing sales, and fostering customer loyalty. Recognizing the importance of effective promotions, Shopify POS offers a powerful set of features that enable retailers to create and manage promotions seamlessly. From percentage-based discounts to buy one, get one offers, Shopify POS empowers retailers to implement a wide range of promotional strategies. In this video, we will delve into the significance and benefits of promotions in Shopify POS, exploring how they can drive sales, enhance customer satisfaction, and maximize profitability. Creating compelling promotions. Shopify POS provides retailers with a user-friendly interface that simplifies the process of creating promotions. Retailers can easily set up different types of promotions, including percentage-based discounts, fixed-amount discounts, free shipping, or buy one, get one offers. The flexibility of the platform allows retailers to tailor their promotions to specific products, customer segments, or time frames, catering to their unique business needs. Creating compelling promotions is an effective strategy to attract new customers and entice existing ones to make a purchase. By offering discounts or incentives, retailers can create a sense of urgency and encourage customers to take advantage of the limited-time offers. This can result in increased foot traffic, online conversions, and overall sales volume. Personalization and targeted promotion. One of the key advantages of promotions in Shopify POS is the ability to personalize offers and target specific customer segments. Retailers can leverage customer data and purchase history to deliver tailored promotions to individual customers or groups of customers with similar preferences. Personalized promotions resonate with customers on a deeper level as they feel valued and understood by the brand. By offering discounts or incentives on products that align with customers' preferences or past purchases, retailers can increase the likelihood of conversion and foster customer loyalty. This personalized approach also helps retailers stand out in a crowded market and create a memorable shopping experience. Furthermore, Shopify POS enables retailers to leverage customer segmentation for targeted promotions. By categorizing customers based on demographics, buying behavior, or other relevant criteria, retailers can create promotions that specifically appeal to each segment. For example, a fashion retailer can offer exclusive discounts on formal attire to customers who have previously purchased similar items. Targeted promotions not only drive sales, but also strengthen customer engagement and loyalty by delivering relevant and meaningful offers. Promotion tracking and performance analysis. Effectively tracking and analyzing the performance of promotions is crucial for optimizing marketing strategies and maximizing return on investment. Shopify POS provides retailers with comprehensive tools to monitor the success of their promotions and gain valuable insights. Retailers can track key metrics such as the number of redemptions, revenue generated, and the overall impact on sales. This data helps retailers evaluate the effectiveness of different promotional strategies and refine their approach accordingly. For instance, retailers can identify which promotions drive the highest conversion rates, which products are popular during promotions, and which customer segments are most responsive to discounts. Armed with this information, retailers can fine-tune their promotions, allocate resources more effectively, and generate higher ROI. Seamless integration and consistency. Promotions created in Shopify POS seamlessly integrate with other aspects of the retail business, including the online store and physical point of sale. This ensures a consistent customer experience across all touchpoints, whether customers are shopping online or in store. When promotions are seamlessly integrated, customers can easily redeem their discounts or incentives at checkout, fostering a smooth and hassle-free transaction process.